Okay, so I'm showing you the before. This is the window that we haven't finished yet. We are going to finish that window first, or the other. I don't know which one you choose, but that's gonna be done today, hopefully. And over here, oh, this is gonna be so nice. I mean, look at this. This is really, I mean, it's been an old material. Spring cleaning video, it's coming up. How to clean this stuff out from here, so look out for that. And we have to take down those blinds as well. I don't know if you saw that video when we had the refrigerator over there and the cabinets over there and the oven is in the corner. Maybe I can find some pictures for you. There you go. So this is how it was before, and this is how it is right now. And at the end of the video you're going to see how it will look afterwards. This is a last piece in the kitchen that reminds us for the old look of this house. So if we're going to change that and replace that windowsill and the trimming, it will make a difference. Good morning, guys. So for today we are going to continue with the window because yesterday the material, we ran out of the material and Zsolt went to Home Depot, which is not nearby, let's just say that. He went to grab some material and then he tried to put it up there, and seems like the thickness of the window up there is different than down here. So the material didn't match and he needed to go back again. So it was pretty late when he came home. So, and we also got other things because we have another exciting project that we wanna do. We might going to do it today, I don't know, it really depends on Joel. But for today, we are definitely working on the window. Why am I saying we? I don't know how to do the window, it's Joel who does the window. I will do a different thing, I will do a different video. I'm going to record that today. So that's gonna be interesting because I have to record here and there and well, we will see. We're gonna put one piece of wood here because if we would put the two with the same white that it's up there, there would be a very awkward gap between that, so we're just going to cover it with one. However, it will change things a little bit here, and I love this wallpaper so much, but with the window trimming, the space is getting smaller where we can get this, so it doesn't show at all, just only on the two sides. So we are not sure what to do with that. Okay, but now I'm going to clean this one up. This morning, such a weird noises were coming from that wooded area. It sounded like a monkey, but I'm pretty sure we don't have monkeys down there, but it sounded like one. I don't know what kind of animal could have been. Okay, Jod, back at the countertop. You are currently really pissed.
Well, I'm just not happy, you know. We have like 4 windows over here, and then they're installed in the 4 different depths. Yeah. That one is further out than that one. This one is also further out than that one. So this is same molding. I have same molding here and there.
And it sticks out there and it goes in. How are you going to solve that?
I have to rip this down on the table so to the width of the window.
So you have to cut to the size.
I have to cut all those 4 pieces.
Wow, that's a lot more work.
Because it's supposed to be flush like this one.
Okay, so the wallpaper, it's coming down.
Going.
Oh, literally.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I was doing the dishes and I heard that again. There's a monkey in the trees. Like, right, George? It truly sounds like a monkey.
I think it's a bird, but it sounds a little bit like
it cannot be a bird. I'm sorry. That's not a bird. That's a monkey. You will see. There's gonna be a monkey in that forest.
Chewing something.
Chewing something. What? What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god. You're gonna regret this. Now all I'm going to think about how to get back at you. You remember that? He's still laughing. Okay, so I was happy at the beginning. Oh great, I hear the noise again. And as I was walking out, I was like, wow, this is very strong. This is really like a monkey. But I was like, Zsolt cannot make that noise. I see you there. I see you. But I swear, there's a monkey noise, and I promise I will catch it sometime. Now, of course, it's quiet. Hey, are you starting to take out the front door?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Ooh. Sure. Yeah, very funny, very funny. Watch your back, mister. Here's the camera, sir. Oh, wait. We only have to paint that. Oh, and the door is gonna be.
I thought you were gonna, but didn't you say you're gonna paint it?
No, you're going to paint
I thought
that.
I'm done.
Well, I can paint it for you.
You said I'm done.
If you wash the dishes, I will paint the window.
Okay, I watch the dishes. I watch them.
Watch. Wash. Okay, so these. Okay, na. Serious. Nem tudok beszélni. Készen vagyok. Okay. These were the projects for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Bye.